हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं ऐश्वर्या और आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में जिसका नाम है कुड़ी कमाल दी। तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है मिंत्रा हॉल पे। सो आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग अराउंड। जैसा कि हम सारी लड़कियां हमेशा ऐप खोल के हमेशा मिंत्रा चेक करते रहते हैं, तो मैं तो करती हूँ, आप पता नहीं करते हैं कि नहीं। कमेंट डाउन बिलो अगर आप करते हैं तो मैंने कुछ ऐसे आई थॉट ऑफ ट्राइंग जंप सूट अंडर 500 रुपीज। सो यू नो कैसी क्वालिटी है, कैसा फिट है एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ। सो आई जस्ट ऑर्डर एंड आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग a haul for this. So it is going to be a very small haul, so please cooperate with me, watch till the end. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share my video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, this is going to be a try on haul. So it's a very small haul, बहुत बड़ा कुछ नहीं है. So I just wanted to share a few things here, and I haven't wore any of this except one. So first thing we are going to talk about this is a jumpsuit. I will just do a trial on and you can see right here so how it looks on me. So this is it. I hope you guys can see. So this is a play suit and it has a tying back. So tying back and straight like this, so it's really sexy, and yeah, it's very comfy. The cloth is very nice and I wore this and for an entire day and I went out. So I'll just show you picture here. So it is like quite cool, quite trendy and very affordable. It was under 400 something. I will mention the price on the screens because I bought this long back and I don't remember the price. So this is how it looks. It's like really nice, very comfy, and it is very fitting for my size, and my size in this was small or extra small. One second. So yeah, everything will be in the description box, so please don't forget to check the description box. So yeah, this is the first jumpsuit I ordered. So second one is also I forgot to mention the brand. Sorry, I don't remember the brand actually. So as I told, everything will be in the description box. So next play suit is, as you can see, tag is still on because I haven't worn. So this is it. This is like a little professional kind of thing. So this pant looks more like a skirt. This is how it is, and cloth is like really nice, fitting is really nice, and it has a back tying button like this. And this is MRP is, my god, 1200, but I got this under 500. So yeah, it's very nice, very cute, very comfortable, and for this price guys, this is amazing. Like, you cannot ask for anything else. And I was really shocked to receive this product of this this price with this quality. And this was just a testing, how the play suit will be under 500 rupees. So yeah, this is my second purchase. And the third one is Tantara. It looks like this. So yeah, this is also a play suit. It has a belt around this area. Also, this is new, I haven't worn. And it has a elastic. It's like a cold shoulder here. So it's a very cold. Like this also you can wear, and like this also you can wear. So it depends. And it has a side chain over here. It has a side chain over here. So quality of this is not really very amazing, but yeah, good. And for this price, again I will say it's really good. The design is really nice, the fit is nice, and what else you need for this price? Like, this is amazing for this price. This stuff is like very good. And again, this was a 500, and this is off from street9.com, from Myntra only, but it is of street9. So yeah, this is my third purchase. So the last one is, as I told, this haul is going to be very small. It was just a experimental shopping. So I thought of sharing with you guys so that you guys can also shop and enjoy and wear and all that stuff. So next thing is a dress, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's quite funky. It's a t-shirt dress with full sleeves, and yeah, this is how it looks. And it also has a pocket over here. So yeah, pocket in girls dress is like a blessing. Just don't even ask, or ask your guy friend how they like to carry your phone and your wallet all the time. So it also has a hoodie. It's a really cool dress, And if you remember, I have done a haul on Myntra in which I showed a lower. It was of same color pattern. If you haven't seen this, I'll just link it here. Just go and see that. That is also really nice. So yeah, this dress is somewhat like this. It's really cool and I just love it. And I'm just looking for a good opportunity to wear this because as we all know, we are stuck at home. I'm not going to go out. So yeah, this was pretty much it for my Myntra haul. So I hope you guys like it because this was like something new for me. I haven't bought any play suit under 500 rupees from Myntra or anywhere online. So I just wanted to give it a try, and I really think that this experiment is quite successful because the quality, the pricing, the fitting, the everything, the fabric is really amazing, and the design is like, guys, really new and very nice. So yeah, so I just love this haul and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, what you have to do is subscribe to my channel and all the links will be in description box. So yeah, till then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye, namaste.